Welcome to 90 Days Challenge of Learning with Blue Ocean Compliance. In these 90 days, we are discussing the serious non-compliances done by the pharmaceutical manufacturing companies which cause them getting the warning letter. And also we are discussing the serious and deep concepts which are related to the compliance, or they are directly or indirectly having the impact on the compliance and CGMP of manufacturing site in the manufacturing company's pharmaceutical industry. Today we are discussing about a new framework and new solution to the human errors. Yes, since last 2 days we are discussing very sensitive topic, that is human error. And if there is any problem happening in the investigation, that is, the problem is that most of the investigations are concluded by root cause that it was human error, right? And training is performed and that investigation is closed. But when these similar things are reviewed by the USFDA inspector or any regulatory inspectors, so they give the observation and it is having the result that manufacturing company is getting the warning letter. Yes, more than 121 warning letters are issued for the non-compliance of 21 CFR 211192, right? And that is that investigation was not performed properly. And one of the reasons that these warning letters are given that the investigation is not performed, because many of the investigations are ended by telling that the root cause was human error. Do you know that most of the mistakes which are happening in the pharmaceutical industry are not the actual mistakes of human error? Means they are told that it is the human error, but the reality is that it is not the human error, but these are the flaws of system design, right? So because of the problem in system design, processes design, there are many errors are happening and we think that it is the human error. So there is a very beautiful concept and very powerful concept, and that is of Japan. It is a Japanese concept of Poka-Yoke. Now what is Poka-Yoke? Poka-Yoke is a Japanese concept, the meaning of which is mistake proof system or error proof system. Okay, it was brought into the picture, or it was invented by the Shigeo Shingo as a part of Toyota production system. Okay, so in this concept it is said that the systems and processes should be designed such that the human error is impossible. Yeah, the systems and processes must be designed such that human error is impossible to happen, and the system and processes should be designed such that the system will inform you, intimate you or warn you before the error happens. Yeah, so how the mistakes will happen? Okay, so this system tells that we can prevent the errors or problems by just designing the systems and working on the processes. Okay, so there are two types of the Poka-Yoke. Type 1 Poka-Yoke is that the system should be designed such that the human error is impossible, right? Okay, and another thing is that the system will detect before the error happens. Now how the system will form? By the alarm or by messages or by not taking the next step if the previous step is right. Okay, so for example, if the packing is going on, if the size of the carton will not be accurate, it will not fit into the system. Okay, so when the dimensions will be accurate, everything will be accurate, then only you will be able to pack the cartons. Okay, another thing is that whenever you are doing the labeling, so some system will be there. If the labels will not be the proper or accurate, so the labeling will not be performed and accepted. Okay, and another example can be that if on the weighing balance you are taking the weight, the weighing will not happen if the weight is not accurate. So in this way, before the things happen, the alarm system will start working, and it will not allow you to work or take the action further, right? So in this way we can prevent the systems happening, or the system will detect the error. Okay, so in this way we can make the system such that error will be impossible to happen. Okay, so now what is the importance of Poka-Yoke in pharmaceutical industry? Let me share with you that we are working in the industry which is directly impacting the life of people, okay, life of the patient. So even a small mistake happen. For example, you are packing the different strength tablet in different blister. Okay, so high BP patient will get the medicine of low BP, and low BP patient will get the medicine of high BP. Then what will happen? There is no need to explain you that what will happen. Okay, so in this way, even a small mistake can cause the life of people, life of a patient. So doing mistake is not acceptable, and in fact we cannot afford to do mistake in the pharmaceutical industry. So we will have to design the system such that the mistake will happen, it will just impossible to happen the mistake. And let me share with you that nowadays USFDA inspector or regulatory inspectors, they are not accepting blaming anything for the deviations or errors. They expect that the systems should be such that error should not happen, and whenever you are analyzing or investigation is done, actual root cause must be found out and real solution should be provided. Okay, so that is the purpose that the review of regulatory authority are very strict, and they ensure that there should not be such thing happen in the manufacturing companies, in the pharmaceutical industry, so that it may cause the life of the patient. Okay, so these were today's learning. Stay tuned that what's coming next, right? In the series of human error, we will be discussing more framework which will help you to guide you that how the investigation can be done. Okay, so similarly, very powerful concepts we will be discussing in this 90 days challenge of learning. And yes, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on my different social media platforms so that you will not miss any of the learning. In fact, it is the masterminding because I'm discussing and you are also listening to this. And with this masterminding, every day you will discuss one concept. You know, it is not powerful that you will complete whole book in one day. You will complete all the guideline in one day and you will apply nothing. Powerful is that every day you will listen or watch or learn only one thing and you will implement that thing in your life, right? So that is the powerful. So that's why every day I am discussing something. But yes, in every discussion of these 90 days, you will be finding at least 5 learning lessons to implement. But yes, ensure that you must implement these concepts on your side and share your learning on the channel, and also write a mail or write something and express or share with me that how you are benefited from these discussions and whether you have applied these learnings on your side and whether you got some magical experience from this. Okay, so again and again I say that we are average of 5 people we spend the time with. So make me one person and we will be discussing the secrets and magical things which will help you to qualify the regulatory inspection effortlessly. And there is no need to tell you that how the important inspections are for us, or any audit, even a customer audit, how it is important for our business, and yes, and for our growth. And I am interested in your growth, so follow me and keep watching and learning or reminding those concepts and it will strike in your head that yes, this non-compliance caused some company getting warning letters, so I will have to ensure that these non-compliance should not happen on my side. Okay, with this, Dr. Rupali Paranspe signing out until we meet again. And yes, DM me and I will add you to my close community of Blue Ocean compliance, and we will learn in more details. Okay, bye. Thank you so much and all the best for qualifying the regulatory inspection with no observation. Thank you so much. Bye.